मैं सेल्फ कुंदन कुमार और आज मैं हूँ समरकांद स्टेट मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी जो समरकांद शहर में है, उज्बेकिस्तान में है। यह उज्बेकिस्तान की जो समरकांद जो है वो बहुत ही ऐतिहासिक शहर है, ब्यूटीफुल शहर है। और आज हम मिलते हैं, हमारे साथ एक स्टूडेंट्स है जो इंडिया से यहाँ पढ़ने के लिए आए हैं। क्या नाम है? इन विच ईयर?
First year. Second year.
From which state of India?
Kerala.
Kerala. What's your experience about university?
The Samarkand courses are good and good place for study.
Okay.
The faculties are so good. There is some Indian faculty also available. They are so useful for background and their classes are very good and understandable.
Okay. And your name?
My name is Rinda.
Sirinda.
Rinda. Okay.
From which state?
I'm also from Kerala.
Kerala. What's your university? Some say what university?
It is a university school. And we have 2 hospitals. I don't know how many, but we have classes in the hospitals. It's nice and the country is so beautiful. And now it snows.
Okay.
But it's tough.
When you completed 12? 12 higher education? When you completed?
Then I completed my 12th in 2024.
24. In India, lots of students are preparing every year 1 drop, 2 drop, 3 drop. You came here in first attempt.
Oh, second attempt.
Second. So why you not taken 3 to 4 attempts in India?
Maybe I don't know. By year and year, the NEET will be so hard. So just to qualify, it needs more efforts.
Okay. Are you satisfied with university?
Yes.
Okay. And your parents
Yes, there also.
who want to study MBBS abroad, can you suggest this university?
Yes, I would suggest this university.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.